Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very special recipe, and every time I go to a restaurant to have either Idli Sambar or Sambar Vada, I always wondered how they make the sambar because it's very different from what we make at home. So I tried it at home and I loved it. It came out so well, I decided to share it with you guys. So shall we start making the hotel style sambar? Well, let's do that. For the sambar, first I'm going to roast a few ingredients. Take a pan, add half teaspoon of ghee, add 1 teaspoon of split gram dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Next add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add 5 red chilies, 4 shallots, half teaspoon asafoetida powder. It's a lovely golden brown color. So once you've got this color, next add 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. I'm going to roast the coconut along with the rest of the ingredients. So I've roasted all the ingredients for the sambar masala. So now we're going to cool this mixture and then grind it. While the masala is cooling, we're going to cook the dal. For this, I've taken half cup of Toor Dal, quarter cup Moong Dal. Wash the dal, pour enough water and soak it for about 10 minutes. Now the masala has cooled down completely. Now I'm going to grind this. So take a small mixer jar. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soaked tamarind. Add a little water and grind everything to a nice fine paste. I've ground the masala to a nice fine paste. The dal has been soaking for 10 minutes now. So we're going to pressure cook this. So make sure you add enough water so the dal is completely covered. To this I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 green chilies slit, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Gently mix everything. Pressure cook the dal for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. The dal is cooked, keep it aside. So take a nice wide saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of shallots, 1 large drumstick cut up into pieces. Season it with a little salt. Now I'm going to pour water. Close the saucepan and cook for about 10 minutes. The drumsticks are cooked. Now I'm going to add the masala paste. Gently mix the masala, and you can see the masala paste is very fine. So add enough water to get this consistency. After adding the masala, let it boil for about 5 minutes till the raw smell goes. Now it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the cooked dal. After adding the dal, add 1 cup of water. At this point you can check for seasoning and add the required salt. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons. Keep the flame on medium and cook the sambar for about 5 to 7 minutes. The sambar has been boiling for about 7 minutes now. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. The next step is to temper a few ingredients and pour it into the sambar. Add half teaspoon of ghee. To this add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 red chilies cut up, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, a handful of curry leaves. Pour the tempered ingredients into the sambar. So there you go. Now you know how to make this delicious hotel style sambar. Why wait? Get going and try it, and you can have it with some nice soft mini idlis or regular idlis, vada, dosa, pongal, with anything of your choice. So do try and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.